I want to get back to that breaking news at the top of the show. Tonight, the man convicted of murdering IMPD Officer Breann Leath was just sentenced. We just learned the penalty a few minutes ago. Officer Breann Leath, just 24 years old, a mother of a young son when she was shot and killed in 2020. She was born and raised in Indianapolis. That's her son there. His name is Zane. She is also the daughter of 2 law enforcement officers. Rich Nye has been in the courtroom all day long. He has followed this case ever since Breann was killed years ago, and he now joins us live tonight at the CGC with more on what we learned about the sentencing today for Elliahs Dorsey. Rich.
And that sentencing hearing continues late this afternoon here in this courtroom behind me. But the bottom line is that Elliahs Dorsey will spend at least 25 years in prison. That includes for the death, the shooting death of Leath, but also for the attempted murder of his girlfriend, who was also shot in that incident, and as well as shooting at 3 other officers who were also at the door with Breann Leath on that day. And remember, Elliahs Dorsey was found guilty but mentally ill of reckless homicide, not murder, reckless homicide. So actually his sentence for those crimes was much less. The biggest sentence here is for the attempted murder of his former girlfriend, that he was in her apartment that day. That was the 25-year sentence, with 15 more suspended for a total of 40 years. And Dorsey will also have mental health treatment throughout that probationary period once he is released from state prison. Here is what Elliahs Dorsey said in his own defense today.
I've tried so hard for so long. To try to be an upstanding person. Law-abiding. I was not in my right mind that day, Judge. I think you know that. I think this whole court knows that.
Again, Elliahs Dorsey was found guilty but mentally ill on 6 counts, sentenced today on those charges. And again, the biggest sentence is a 25-year prison sentence for the attempted murder of his girlfriend, whose apartment he was in that day, and he will serve 25 years of a 40-year sentence, 15 suspended. And we'll have reaction from the family of Breann Leath to that sentence later tonight on 13 News at 11.
Yeah, he certainly has come a long way. As you know, the prosecutor did file to have the death penalty removed from this case after the medical evaluations determined that Elliahs Dorsey was mentally ill. So a big change in the proceedings of this case and the penalty for Elliahs Dorsey. We'll have more tonight at 11. Rich, thank you so much for your coverage.